Hi, I'm Heather Pepe. I'm a makeup artist and a makeup educator at Cinema Makeup School. I teach beauty and advanced beauty techniques. And today I'm going to share with you my 5 essential kit products that always, no matter what makeup field you're in, every makeup artist should have in their kit, but not typical products that you would typically think of. My first one is Jow hand sanitizer. And the reason why I like this one, it's probably the most expensive hand sanitizer you can buy, but it's not just a sanitizer. It has the best scent to it, so it's not super aggressive. And as makeup artists, we're constantly sanitizing our hands to be clean and hygienic. And this one's a lot more mild on your hands. It's also great to just keep in your set bag when you're working really long hours, even if you use it as a body splash or just spray a little bit on your wrists. It has a really lovely lavender kind of tea tree oil scent, but it's not super aggressive. Also, if you're feeling like you or your client's getting a little blemish, if you put a little bit on the blemish, it kind of clears it up. It's just the best. I never go to a job without it. My second favorite product to have always that I use for so many different random things is medical tape. I love to keep this in my kit because it's fantastic when you have fallout from any glitter. Using a little bit of medical tape, just kind of lightly tear a little piece off, and you can either wrap it around a Q-tip or you can just apply it straight to the skin, and it kind of just lifts off little tiny particles of glitter that, if any of you have used glitter before, that they become a nightmare to remove. So you can also use the medical tape if you need help with creating a really sharp precision winged liner. Much better to use medical tape in your kit than regular tape, because medical tape is actually designed, the adhesive is designed for use on skin, so it's much better to have than just a regular tape. So I always suggest, if you're a tape user, always make sure it's medical tape, just because, again, the sensitivity people do have to adhesives, this is just a little bit milder to use. My third favorite essential kit product is a mini umbrella. I know it seems funny, but I never go anywhere without my little mini umbrella in my set bag, because I can't tell you how many times I've been on set where we've been shooting outside and either you're in the sun all day and there's no shade, or your model's getting hot. Having an umbrella, not just for the rain, I typically use it more, especially being in LA, to prevent blocking from the sun. So I help myself stay out of the sun, and also my model or my talent as well. If we're in between shots, I want to make sure that they're not getting sunburned, and also kind of keeping cool and making sure the makeup maintains. So I always have a little umbrella in my set bag, because again, you never know. For my fourth kit essential would be dental picks. Little floss picks. They are the best and the most hygienic way to have a floss in your kit. They have a little pointed end and then also floss, so after lunch, always make sure that you check your model's teeth and give them a little pick if they need it. But these come in handy so often. Literally can't go to a job without having them, because you never know when you need them. And then for my fifth, I'm going to definitely say having a cordless battery charger. Nowadays, we're so reliant, even makeup artists, on your cameras, on your phone, on your iPads, on your devices for continuity, for just maintaining things, keeping in touch. Always making sure, sometimes you don't have an outlet that you go to, so always have a charged, fully loaded, ready to go battery pack charger with you, just because, again, you never know when you're gonna get back to the trailer to charge your phone, and if you're dying and you're out of juice, you're screwed. So having this always in your set bag should be a necessity, and always make sure too it's fully charged before every job you go to, so it's always good to go. I hope you found my kit essentials helpful. Please let us know in the comments what your kit essentials are. Make sure to tune in and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.